Welcome back again to Playdays Collectibles channel from Whittier, California. And today, of course, is Taco Tuesday, show and tell time, and it's October the 13th, 2020. We got some goodies in this box. Let's check it out. Safety first. Prayers for you, and prayers for anyone that needs it. All right? Hopefully, whoever's sick, whoever needs help, God will hear you. Be happy. Anyways, let's do a show and tell. Let's do it. Safety first. We're not using any sharp objects. Be careful if you do, but adults only. Alright, let's see what's inside here. Let's check it out. Alright, let's see. Hopefully some goodies that I never seen. Let's see. Looks like this one was already open. Okay, here we have a 70 Dodge Challenger. And this is a 6-ounce Dodge Dart Phoenix. And a 69 Chevy Kentwood Estate Wagon. Memories, memories. And this is a 2017 Ford Mustang GT Golf colors. And what else do I see it here? This is a 1966 Mercury Comet Cyclone GT. And a 64 Plymouth Barracuda. Alright. Let's dump all this on the floor. Alright. Next, safety first. Alright, let's see, hopefully some goodies in here. There's more stuff, more goodies. Goodies all day for a Mustang. And that's the Mercury Comet, actually, Cyclone. Ooh, 70 Dodge Challenger RT. And the 64 Plymouth Barracuda. And 61 Dodge Dart. And the estate wagon. Let's see. You know, I feel like opening something. Let's open this one. Make it brave. Let's check it out. Pretty big package. But it's doable. Let's see. There it is. It came out and it's breathing now. Fresh air out of Whittier. Playdays Collectibles. Alright, let's see how good it rolls. Do a roll test. Safety first. Alright, let's see. Oops, it crashed. Anyways, I tried. Alright, next. Let me see what's in here. Safety first, like always. The same thing. There's Chase in here somewhere. Same thing. No Chase. I don't think it's a Chase. Nah, no Chase at all. Alright. Let's go to the next box right here. Check it out. Safety first. What's in here? Check it out. Alright. Time to go get some tacos after this. I'm very hungry, everyone. Wow, same thing. Yep, same thing. Alright. Check it out, this one's open too. Same thing. Yep, same thing right here. What's in here? Ooh, a Chase piece. Look at this. I think looks like you toss a chase because you have the blue card and this card doesn't match. But make it breathe. Why not? Let's do it. Oops, the card fell out. There it is. Look at this beautiful paint job. Wow. This is awesome. When do you guys ever see this, right? Alright, let's do a test run. Safety first. Woohoo! This one went pretty fast. Alright. Alright. Let's continue with our unboxing of something. Let's do this one. Let's do it. Do it in here. What? It's all messed up. Wagons. I guess this package got damaged during transition. But this one did open. It is breathing by itself. Let's do a test run. Come on, Hurst, get out and play. Alright, let's do a test run on this one. Look at this beautiful paint job. Wow. Pretty cool. Well, let's see if it rolls. It crashed. Alright, let's see. What else do we see in here? Let's do one more box in here. Safety first. Oh, more hearses. Anybody like hearses? Same thing. And one more box right here. Check it out. There's no more in there. Alright, let's see. Ooh, got a chase, everyone. Got a chase. Check it out. It's the same hearses, but I got a chase. Ooh, I ripped it. Oops. Well, anyways, it's a chase. Let's make it breathe. Why not? Alright. Come on and play at Playdays Collectibles. Alright. If you guys notice the difference, it's all white tires. That means it's a giant lining, white lining. Alright. Do a test run. Why not? Alright, let's check it out. Safety first. Well, look at it's all white and white wheels. Alright, let's do it. Oh well. Alright everyone, well, look at this mess that I made. Thank you for checking in. I'm gonna go eat my tacos now. Have a happy Taco Tuesday, everyone. Prayers for everyone. I'll pray for you and anyone else. Whoever's in the hospital, get better. Smile. Remember, all of us were thinking about you, all the collectors. Anyways, everyone have a safe night. Enjoy with your friends and family, and be careful out there. Prayers for everyone. Adios.